Hello YouTube. Here's another quick video on the Phatmoto series videos, and this one's going to be covering the handlebars, the stock handlebars right there. They're 7/8 of an inch. And then right there in the middle is that little bump where it goes up to an inch. And that stock headset has shims to clamp down on 1 inch. And this headset, it's not the best quality. I guess it worked. It held it tight, but there's those shims. See them? Anyway, what I put on was I put on a new set of what they call Z bar, and they kind of give a little rise. They give like a 4-inch rise, and they lean back, and they give like a 3.5-inch pull back. You can see where it pulls back slightly. See it? So it gives a little more comfortable riding position. You're not hunched over so much. And these bars are 7/8 all the way through. There's no 1-inch bump there where the headset connects. So I put a new headset on, and it's made by Zoom. It's a $20 part, $19.99. And the bolts are like twice the size of the stock Phatmoto. Those bolts are humongous. The whole piece is just way better quality. But it's made to clamp a 7/8 bar with no bump. 7/8 is 22.5 millimeters. But it's just way better quality. There are those bolts. It just really holds those bars good. And the bars are way more comfortable than those stock bars. The stock bars kind of had to hunch over. But that's about it. If you get new bars, just make sure the it's 1.125" headset here, 1.125", and then whatever bar you get, make sure it clamps for that size bar. Now some handlebars have the bump. Some are like these, it's 7/8 all the way through, no bump. So make sure you either get the shims or get the headset that will clamp on your bars, whatever style you get. Ape hangers or flat bars, drag bars, Z bars, whatever. So that's about it. This unit's it's just way better than the stock. Pretty much anything stock on these things, you got to upgrade. You know, tires, brakes, calipers, chains, clutch. You know, those are the main things you need to upgrade. That's about it. I will talk to you later.